Hello and welcome back to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, I am going to cover question number 41 for AWS Solution Architect Professional Exam. These questions are provided by hadoopexam.com. So let's jump to question number 41. You are working in a company called Quick Game Inc., which is a giant mobile game provider with millions of users. Quick Game Inc. uses the following AWS services like HPC, high performance computing, analytics and machine learning, and backend, and not directly linked to a customer facing application or game, and its performance may not impact your customer. Then while deciding AWS reason for this services, which of the following option you will prefer? So let's go to the explanation part and then we would discuss more on that. So question number 41. While evaluating your reasons, you need to consider following things. Few of them we have already discussed in previous question. Now let's discuss it. Check if these reasons are compliant. Whatever reason you are choosing, those are compliant and has the services and features you need to run your workload using the AWS regional services and website. That is what you need. Check features available for each service and version available if your workload has a specific requirement. Calculate the cost of workload on each region using the AWS pricing calculator. Test the network latency between your user base location and each AWS region. Correct? So that is what you need to perform before deciding some region. Now many other factors specifically which is asked in questions. Many workloads such as high performance computing, analytics, machine learning are not directly linked to a customer facing application and your application is using in the backend. So let me draw here. So this is a gaming company basically which has their entire AWS infrastructure here, correct, and they are providing gaming solutions on mobile or whatever you can say to their end user, correct, and they are using it. Now these reasons are bit basically low latency reason and close to the user. Basically there are reasons available which provides this analytical service, high performance computing and machine learning as well, and that is what here. But there is a difference which basically could be slow. This reason would be slow for your end user, but the data which you are processing, your machine learning, high performance computing or low latency very slow network or something like that, correct, that is there, but this is not affecting your user because those you wanted to perform in a backend. So this is a backend and not needed to be a latency sensitive in processing, correct. So while deciding such thing, this will not be sensitive to network latency. So you may want to select region with low cost. So this region would be low cost for you because it's a many things are slow here, so it's a low cost and higher latency, so that's fine, correct. So based on the given option, you will use for this requirement AWS CloudFront Edge location, a CloudFront Edge network. Why do you want to do this? What is the relation between this? Nothing, correct. So this option is not at all relevant here. A region with low cost and high latency. Yes, we are looking for low cost and high latency is a fine for us. So this would may be a correct answer. Region with high cost and low latency. Why we don't need a low latency, correct here, and high latency is a fine, and if it cost high, if it cost low, then we should go for this option. So this option is not correct. Region with farthest from the end consumer. What is the need of having the farthest from the end user? This does not reduce our cost by choosing this, correct. So our priority is to reduce region with low cost and high latency. That should be the answer here. So let me submit this, and this is the answer here. So that's all about question number 41. Thanks for watching. I hope you are liking this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe it. Please visit hadoopexam.com for more premium material. If you are looking audiobook converter or creator or text to speech converter, visit quicktechie.com, where we have cloud-based solution which is much cheaper solution for converting your any textbook into the audiobook. So keep visiting quicktechie.com as well hadoopexam.com. Thank you and wish you all the best. I'm stopping now.